self-awareness and self-understanding. Okay, pag-usapan natin what hinders a person para gawin niya ang mga gusto niyang gawin. Not physically, but mentally. This is said to be your freedom to think freely. Okay? And your mind is free from the psychological constraints. Like, can you think without fear? Ikaw ba ay nakakapag-isip palagi? Hindi minsan, ha? Hindi minsan, kung hindi palagi, na wala kang takot, wala kang pag-aalinlangan, wala kang second thought. Okay. Or at all times, you're feeling anxious. Ninenervyos ka palagi. Paano kung mali ako? Paano kung i-judge nila ako? Paano kung mali ang sagot ko? Ayan ang mga meron tayo. That is why sometimes we are cultivating our own, sabi nga, fear. And it limits yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, minsan nawawala, nababawasan kasi mas inuuna mong isipin ang mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari.